With the continuous expansion of the global manufacturing industry and the continuous development of the Chinese economy, a rapidly developing enterprise was born in the heavy industrial city of Shenyang. It will continue to explore and create brilliance. Liaoning Zhonghongtu Machinery Equipment Co. Ltd. is located in Shenyang, the capital city of Liaoning Province, which is renowned for being the birthplace of 2 generations of emperors. Liaoning Zhonghongtu is a professional manufacturer specializing in the production of equipment for positioning and shaping irregular veneers. Currently, the factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters and employs more than 100 staff. Relying on its strength, the enterprise strives to become a pioneer in the national irregular veneer equipment industry, adhering to a customer-centric approach, continuously innovating based on market demand, and winning the respect and trust of industry professionals. Liaoning Zhonghongtu is one of the earliest manufacturers in China to produce irregular veneer equipment. Its main products include vacuum laminating machines, wood door veneer equipment, paint-free door equipment, wrapping machines, handle-free glove color equipment, laser edge banding machines, and electrostatic powder coating production lines. Since its establishment, the company has been specializing in the production of irregular veneer equipment. After more than 10 years of development, its products have formed 3 major categories, with more than 30 varieties, widely used in various industries such as grinding and pressing cabinets, solid wood veneer cabinets, solid wood composite doors, paint-free doors, wooden doors, panel furniture, and audio equipment. It has produced the most advanced irregular veneer machinery in the country and specially developed high-gloss PVC series presses to achieve the international leading level. Liaoning Zhonghongtu has obtained a number of national invention patents and utility model patents after years of effort. Its independently developed automatic electric board positive and negative pressure laminating machine equipment has obtained a number of national invention patents and utility model patents, filling the gap in this technical field in China. After many years of hard work, Liaoning Zhonghongtu has established a strong R&D and production team dedicated to innovation and improvement to maximize customer satisfaction. In terms of R&D, film covering effects, energy consumption, and performance configuration have reached the world's leading level. The equipment is exported to more than a dozen countries and regions in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. The company's products have passed the EU CE safety certification and have successfully developed and produced TM2580F positive and negative pressure laminating machines, TM2680F double-sided wood veneer core board positive and negative pressure machines, TM3000 fully automatic high-gloss laminating machines, TM2480 vacuum laminating machines, M300F aluminum alloy door frame laminating machines, M300C solid wood veneer laminating machines, and more than 30 other models using for cabinets, hormone pressing cabinets, solid wood veneer cabinets, solid wood composite doors, paint-free doors, panel, furniture, and profile laminating. Especially the development of high-gloss PVC series positive and negative pressure series has brought unexpected processing effects to customers. Quality is the life of the enterprise. Providing high-quality products and excellent services to various industries is our commitment to users. The company strictly follows national standards and regulations for production, testing, and acceptance. It has established a professional after-sales service technical team, and all products are responsible for guiding installation, assisting in commissioning, and training operation. All employees of Liaoning Zhonghongtu Machinery Equipment Co. Ltd. will fulfill their quality commitments to customers with higher enthusiasm and better service, positioning quality as the foundation, seeking survival with service, and seeking development with innovation. This is the corporate philosophy of Liaoning Zhonghongtu Machinery Equipment Co. Ltd. The company encourages employees to love their jobs, be dedicated, and selflessly contribute constantly strive for excellence and fulfill their promises. The company has established a staff canteen, staff apartments, and regularly organizes various colorful cultural and sports activities to enrich employees' leisure time. The grand plan has been revealed, and Liaoning Zhanghongzhu has gradually realized the leading position of profiled veneer equipment nationwide, creating a leading position for national enterprise leaders with innovative products, reliable quality, and honest service. With the spirit of excellence and unremitting efforts, create a new brand positioning. Liaoning Zhanghongzhu is at the forefront of the times, pioneering and advancing, and will create a more brilliant tomorrow with a challenging spirit and keeping pace with the times.